The Pink Pepperco Mastectomy top features internal pockets for post-surgery drains. It keeps the drains hidden and in place so you stay comfortable after your surgery. This top also features a button front to accommodate limited range of motion after surgery since you can't lift your arms up after surgery. Each top is made from 100% super soft cotton, which makes it breathable and keeps you cool and comfy after your surgery. It comes in raspberry, blue, and gray, in sizes small through 3X. Because there's no metal closures on this top, it's perfect to wear to your radiation appointments. Unbutton the top few buttons to get easy access for your chemo port as well. These tops are low maintenance, just wash them like you would any other cotton top. Please visit www.pinkpepperco.com to order. You may also like to read over some of my blogs for more tips on getting ready for your mastectomy. Follow me on any social media platform with the username PinkPepperCo to watch more about my journey with breast cancer.